Right guys, we're going to go over some of the controls on the 2023 Land Rover Defender. I got back from my trip last week, so I'm going to check out the what we did miles per gallon. So we're just on our way back from the store now, and we're going to stop so I can go over the controls and check the mileage that I did. So it's a beautiful California day. We'll pan around, show you the hills. They're just starting to turn brown as the temperature's starting to warm up. 90 degrees next week, so it's a good day today. Okay guys, we've stopped on this new housing development. It's quiet up here, so I just wanted to go over a few controls on the Defender here. So on this screen here, you have like you know, a bunch of different stuff. Apple CarPlay, you can set your phone and you know, put your music in, that type of thing. We go here and you've got all this stuff here. So you've got your navigation, accounts, seats. Let's do the seats. So you can adjust the seats, the comfort. This has heated seats and cool seats, so you can adjust that. Go back, can adjust the climate. The cameras are pretty neat on this. You can go through and pick your different settings on your cameras to show around. It does look animated. It's kind of doesn't look, you would probably think that it wasn't this car, but it really is, because if I open the door, there you go, you can see the door opening and it closes. Go around, that's the other side. You can keep going around, pick sides. It's good for parking because you know, it'll show you, you know, it's a good detailed video of the parking, that type of thing. You can go for towing, so you can see the back. That's good for reversing. Off-road, if you want to go off-road, it actually shows you, you can see either side, and you know, it's like you don't have the hood, so you can see any boulders and stuff that's below the car. Go back, and of course valet mode. Now let's go to eco data, right? So this is where I've been on this road trip. So we've covered a distance of 1,404 miles, and the economy is 21.5. That's the overall economy, which is, I don't think, too bad for a vehicle that weighs about 2.5 ton. So, you know, I'm not really complaining about the mileage. Some people do. I've seen videos where they only get like 16 or something like that. You know, I'm not doing any 0 to 60 times. I'm just driving at 70 miles an hour on the freeway. So this is combined with going to the grocery store, you know, freeway driving, stop and start traffic. So you know, this is an overall thing. I got 98% driving score, so not too bad. Okay, let's go back again. And you've got different things you can go into, you know, check the vehicle and all kinds of different things, driver assistance, and it goes on and on. So but anyway, I just wanted to show you basically that, you know, we're averaging 21 miles to the gallon. I have got as much as 26, I believe, like this one here. There you go, look, we did a distance of 27 miles and I got 26 miles to the gallon. So, you know, I mean, it, you know, take it as you will. But so anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you some of the stuff here. Let's go through a bit more. You got the 4x4 mode. Okay, it tells you not to exceed its limits and capabilities and all that kind of stuff. Low traction launch, vehicle dimensions, so you can check the vehicle height, the length, see if it'll fit in your garage, or if you were doing underground parking, you can see the height of the vehicle to make sure that it's going to fit in. Let's have a look, see what else we got. Go down a bit more. Obviously you got your phone, media. It's got weight sensing on this. Again, it says, you know, do not exceed the limits of the vehicle. So you got weight sensing. You can see that it'll kind of go to the top of the wheel, which is 2 feet 9 inches. You can extend this up so that you know, raise the height of the vehicle, because it has the air suspension, so you can get a bit more out of it. If I go here and we can go up, the vehicle is actually raising up now, so now we've gone up to 2 feet 11 inches. So anyway, just to show you that. On the controls here, you know, this shuts off at like stoplights and stuff like that, which you know, it's just me, I don't like it. I think at the end of the day, over time, you know, it would it puts extra wear and tear on the starter motor and stuff like that. So, you know, there's a button here to turn that stop start off. So that's probably one of the first things I do before I drive. I turn it off. I don't like it. So, but it's a personal preference. So let's take a look outside around the car. Okay, we're in this new housing development, so I just wanted to show you, pan around and show you. We're kind of slightly elevated up here, so you can see we're in Tracy, California. So you can see like over Tracy. Today's a good day. I would say visibility wise, you could probably see like 20 miles today. So anyway, this is the new development by us. Okay guys, we'll wander around the vehicle here a little bit, show you some of the styling things that this car has on it. I like these nice square kind of tail lights and stuff. It gives it that kind of old feel from the kind of Defender before. The wheels, I like the wheels. These are like easy clean wheels, to be honest, because, you know, if you go off road, some of the wheels I've seen on these, you know, the alloys, they have a lot going on, and they would be kind of pretty hard to clean, you know, if you went off road with this vehicle. Walking around, you've got these nice wheel arches that stand out to give it that kind of beefy look. The doors, the locking on the doors, obviously you just press this to open with the key fob in your pocket. I found on this vehicle, you know, I drove through San Francisco a couple of weeks ago, and you have to be kind of quick with your reactions there, and even with the blind spot monitoring system on this, you know, I did pull out in front of somebody, I'm going to be honest, and you know, it was kind of a bit nerve-wracking. So what I did, I bought these little mirrors, which I stuck on here. They're adjustable, but they give you kind of like just help you slightly. I've had to put them on that side because of the blind spot monitoring on the opposite top corner there, but they did help me a little bit when you know, when you're driving in traffic, when things are happening quite fast. So walking around the front of the vehicle here, this one I got the blacked out package, so you know, it has the Defender emblem in black, and these in black, and you know, one of the cameras is here. I think it's the one that shows you with where the hood is just totally gone, but here's one of the cameras. um, so this has the headlamp washers here. Again, these wheels are easy clean wheels, so you know, these aren't really off-road tires, I wouldn't say, but if you did have off-road tires put on this, these wheels would be easy to clean. If you had a snorkel going up here, this is where it would go, on this side of the vehicle. And I know you can check videos where they have like the ladder would go here, there's a box on the other side, the roof rack. You know, they're different packages, like adventure package and town and country package. There's a lot of stuff you can buy for these, so obviously the price will go up. You know, these vehicles, really, we were looking around at different vehicles, and prices are kind of high now. I mean, you know, I'm gonna like kind of bring the Bronco into it, but we've seen the Bronco, and the interiors on the Bronco to me are quite cheap, cheap plasticky kind of stuff, and you can pay nearly as much for a Bronco as we did for this. So you know, to me, this fits my lifestyle. Looking in the back here, okay guys, I just wanted to show you the inside here. You have this compartment here, and you know, you have your jack, and you've got spare wheel lugs here. There's the locking one, so you know, obviously you don't get your wheels stolen, so you have to have that to unlock it. They even give you these little like valve stem covers with the Land Rover on. We have a first aid kit here, and stuff like that. So that's looking inside there. This is the button to raise or lower the Land Rover. You can lower it if you're loading stuff in. You can also do it from the front, but this is here so you can raise or lower. I think I did mention this, but this is the cover. If you have any stuff inside, you can fit this through here and hide your stuff. A lot of people don't like this. I've heard people kind of just, you know, throwing it to one side, but you know, if you want to keep something in the shade or cover something where nobody can see, then you know, that's the good thing. You have little hooks here. There's kind of hooks all over the place, one on this side, one on that side, to hook your stuff. Here you have there's like a charging port here, and stuff like that. So but you can buy like compressors and all kinds of stuff for these. So you know, I'm quite happy with the vehicle, to be honest. Okay, Okay guys, I just wanted to show you, which is a nice touch. I like these little kind of safari windows there. They don't give that much light, but you know, they do give a little bit of extra light. So you know, it's a nice touch really. This is a heavy door here. It has this gas shock here, so it's quite a heavy door. So I think they're well built vehicles. This is a lot of this like panels and stuff are aluminum. The actual monocoque construction is aluminum, so they made this vehicle a lot stronger. Sometimes when you're standing next to this vehicle, you know, it does look kind of big and bulky, but you know what? It really isn't. I mean, when you look at like some cars, you know, like the Suburban and the Cadillac and stuff like that, you know, this one fits in the garage quite nicely. So, you know, it's, I think it's a pretty good size. So, anyway, there we have it, guys. So this is a little update on the 2023 Land Rover Defender. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and we'll do another video shortly.